Hey, what's up, guys? So, I recently hit 100,000 subscribers here on YouTube. And that's kind of wild and amazing and kind of hard for me to believe. It's funny, I'm actually around 106,000 right now as I shoot this video, and I've actually been waiting a little while for two reasons. One, I've been really busy with other projects and videos and tests and whatnot, but two, I haven't actually been really sure what to say or how to talk about it. You see, when I first got the 100,000 mark and got the plaque here, I remember like kind of looking around and I'm like, well, now what? You know, where's the fireworks? Like, it doesn't actually feel like that big of a deal. I mean, I'm still the same person. I've still got the same goals. I'm still working on my videos. Like, all that stuff is still the same. The only difference is, well, now my subscriber count has 6 digits instead of 5, but now what? And it was admittedly a kind of anticlimactic. And since then, I've kind of been thinking about it because I'm like, well, this is actually still really special. And the more I thought about it, I'm like, this is great, but not for the reasons that I initially thought. And so I actually want to kind of share some personal stories and really talk about kind of what all of this YouTube stuff means to me. And yeah, so let's do that. So about 9 years ago, my dad passed away. And he was an amazing human being. He loved his family. He loved all of us, and he worked really hard to provide for us. And it's because of him that I'm able to do what I do here today and share all of this here with you guys. He was a doctor, and he worked a lot of hours helping people. I remember him coming home and being really tired dealing with patients, and then even working later in the night on other things, just wanting to be free. Like, freedom was always the really big important thing for him. He always really wanted to both help people and provide for his family and take care of all of us. And ever since I was a kid, I always wanted to do something similar to where I'm able to help others, do something that I really love, that I'm good at, that I'm passionate at, and also have time to be able to spend with my family. And that specifically is what I'm able to do here with these YouTube videos about radar detectors and about dash cams. And a fun fact, my very first real camera that I got when I first got into photography, my dad worked extra hours at the hospital just to get some extra money to help buy me a camera. He always really wanted to support us in doing whatever it is that we loved, that we were passionate about, no matter how crazy it seemed. And everything that you guys see here now today as far as YouTube, I'm literally sitting here in my house making videos, playing with toys, talking about radar detectors and dash cams, talking into a camera, and getting to hang out with you guys. Like, this is kind of wild, you know? Like, when I first got into this, there wasn't a lot of good information available already about radar detectors. Like, I literally just wanted to learn and find out for myself how this stuff works. And I'm like, well, I've learned stuff. Let me just share with you guys what I found, you know? And okay, 100,000 subscribers later, I'm like, cool, well, it seems like you guys are enjoying this too. So I'm really grateful for that because I get to do something that I love and I get to give it to you guys. I feel like this is really meaningful and worthwhile and beneficial, and you guys are enjoying it too. So total win-win, and this is what I really want, you know? I have the freedom now to not only do all of this, but also spend time with my family, you know? Now that I've got 2 kids, I've got a baby and a toddler here at home, and that certainly doesn't make making videos easier. But I'm so grateful for the fact that I have the freedom to like take breaks from making videos, to take a break from work. You know, if my kids get sick at daycare and they get home, we can like take the day off to take care of them. Or then we get sick at home with the cold or flu or whatever it is, right? Like, I can take breaks as needed. Or if we get family in town, or we want to take a vacation, or I just need to take a break myself, or for whatever it is, I get to do something. And I'm so grateful for this that I love. I get to give to you guys. I feel so fortunate to have this opportunity and make a positive difference. That feels very worthwhile. And so I just wanted to say thank you to all of you guys for being a part of this journey, for hanging out with me, for hanging out in the comments and asking questions and giving your feedback and sharing your ideas. And like, it's fun to do this here with you guys. I mean, I'm literally at home talking into a camera right now, but I get to like interact and engage with all you guys too in the live streams and the comments and on forums and social media and wherever else. Like, it's a lot of fun getting to do stuff that we all enjoy together, you know? And I think that's pretty awesome. And so I guess I got to find a place now for this YouTube button. And I'm by no means an interior decorator, but I figure that works for now. And so I guess I just wanted to say thank you to you guys for being a part of this journey and making it so much more enjoyable for me and so much more fun and engaging and interactive and rewarding and satisfying. Like, I love that I get to do something that I love. I love that I get to spend time with my family, you know? And I'm super grateful to my dad for helping make all of this possible. And so I wanted to dedicate the 100,000 and just all of this to my dad, because without him, none of this would have been possible. And so, yeah. I guess that's it for now. So again, thank you guys all so much for joining me here on this crazy, kind of ridiculous journey of making videos, talking about tech, automotive electronics. Cool. Like, this is really cool. I really enjoy it. And it is kind of crazy. It's kind of wild, but I'm really grateful that I'm able to do this. And I'm really grateful to all of you guys for helping make all of this possible. So really, thank you so much. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.